Come on, it's a great time having you. This is Marcosay lectures on entrepreneurship. We have started the lecture on growing your business from a small scale to multinational. So we have tried to explain some of the point we have already explained in the lecture 1, and 2. So I want to remind you, this is the lecture series on growing your business from a small scale to multinational. What should I do to grow my business from a small scale to a large scale? I want to remind you, I have a lot of motivation messages on YouTube. Go to my channel, Nothing Can Stop Motivation Message. They are 15 minutes. Watch them, subscribe to them. Example, you have building yourself as a millionaire. It's when you go to YouTube, have another channel, another playlist. Your marriage will be a state of mind to world based. Marco said, there are teachings on dating, courtship, and marriage. Also, watch them, subscribe to them. I'm counting. You also have another channel, River from the Temple Sermon. There are sermons, dating, courtship, and marriage. They are 15 minutes. Watch them, subscribe them, send your comment. Also have a lot of academic videos on economics and also videos on entrepreneurship. The videos on entrepreneurship are 15 minutes. Like example, we have creating a new trend of business, 15 minutes, growing your business from a small scale to multinational. Watch them, subscribe to them, send your comment. Also, I have a lot of ebooks I've written. Also, sorry for the breaks and images. It's not from me, it's from Facebook. I'm using external camera on Facebook. I'm sorry for that. Also, I have a lot of ebooks I've written. If you go to Amazon, you can gamble. Building a competence, a credit plan of $4. To be impossible to have this work without you, $4. Like something inside the world is needed $4. Leaders of generation thinkers, $5. Your marriage based on mind to work $5. They are all available. Watch them. Go and buy them. I'm not getting it, so I know you guys help me drive the sales. Also have a new books I've uploaded on a new book I've uploaded on Amazon and Cameron. There are electronic books, building yourself as $7 million, $4. Enhance your risk taking ability, $4. Enhance your decision making ability, $4. Also, growing with a cloud of luminary synchronicity is $4. Also, smarter than the level of competition put together, $4. So get these books. I'm not getting the sales. Help me drive the sales of this book. If you help me, you can help me. I'm advertising, but I'm not getting the sales. If you can help me market them and sell them, and I'll pay you for your price, you can call me. If you're outside Ghana, add the country code +233 and add the number 27 510 5641. If you're in Ghana, you don't need to add a country code. Just add the number 027 510 5641. So we have started a series on how do I grow my business from a small scale to a large scale. Go and watch the lesson 1, the lecture 1, lecture 2. Lecture 1, we spoke about personality like Robert Tenada grow the advertising company from a small scale. Now we have CNN. We spoke about in that lesson, we spoke about some of the things you can do that will help you grow your business from a small scale to a large scale. One of the things you have to do, you have to make sure you strap managerial capabilities and strategies from global CEOs to build your managerial capability. 2, we said you need to enhance your productivity and efficiency every day, every hour. To achieve that, you need to also enhance your decision. Number 3, we said you need to enhance your decision making. You need to enhance your productivity and efficiency. Number 3, you need to enhance your decision making abilities to take winning decisions to permeate through the competition. We said that you need to enhance your opportunity generating capabilities to create myriad of opportunities for yourself. That's point 4. Point 5, we said there's a need to relentlessly extract marketing ideas and strategy from top marketers and top marketing departments in global universities. That was point 5. Point 6, we said that you need to strategically position yourself as a good strategist. And number 7, we said that you need to introduce innovative product and service that will permeate through the crowded plan of fierce competition. Number 8, we said you need to understand that you need to work aggressively towards minimizing the cost of operation, and that will help you. Number 9, we said that there's a need for you to understand that integrity is a principle that never fails. So we said that too about that point. So the number 10th point we are looking at, number 10, we are looking at in number 10, we are talking about let's look at number 10. What do we have for number 10? Number 10 says that overridingly appreciate that your customers and employees are your first profit of your business. To ensure that your customers and your employees, they are your first profit of your business, because without them you cannot make any profit. You cannot see any headway. Like, ensure that your customers have quality service, affordable service, time delivery. You have information about them and their contact. You can connect them, your customers, you can connect them some to opportunities. You can extract ideas on their businesses of your customers. During holiday, you can visit them and impact the ideas on them to grow the business of your customers. This thing will help you. that your customers achieve that consistently. On a part of your employees, see your employees as part of your family. Pay them very well and make sure you control your cost of operation and personal living allowance so that you can pay them very well. People who work don't pay them very well, and nobody can grow a business from a small scale to large scale and work with people you pay them bigger salaries. It'll be so. With on an aspect of your employee, make sure you help them. This, if you're able to do this for your employees, they will contribute ideas to help build your productivity and experience to grow your business. If you do these things for your employees, so treat your employees very well, and this will help them become very instrumentality for marketing your product to others. If they're well treated, they can market your product to the global world that, hey, that. So make sure your employees are part of your family, treat them very well, control your costs to make sure that you help them, pay them very well, and so they can contribute ideas to grow your business, so they can be the first instrument for marketing your product. They'll also build your employees, build their competence, identify the qualities they lack, help them to develop them to make more of them very productive at the workplace in their families. Without any proper treatment of your employees, your business will be short-term stories. A lot of businesses that started and they try to pay workers bigger salary and they are no more in the race. So your customers and your employees are the first profit of your business, because without them, you cannot make anybody. You can't work with people and be paying them bigger salary and expect your business to grow to multinational. And that's what your customers do. We said that your customer find out information about their business, extrapolate ideas. You can visit them on holidays to impact to them to help grow their business so that they become loyal customers. Connect some of them to opportunities that have. Marcus Goodman, for instance, worked with Samuel Sachs, and through that they worked very well. They set up the Goldman Sachs company, today the largest investment bank in the world. But they understood what it means to treat employees and their customers very nice, and this have taken them to the oyster. Number the 11th point: developmentally, never operate with a local champion mentality. Indeed, have a global growth mentality. Understand that they have a productive mentality that will equip you with irresistible search to set innovative ideas and strategies from global companies that will help you stimulate your wave with the performance of global companies. So don't operate with a local champion mentality. Operate with a global mentality. This is why it's very relevant, because it will sharpen your productive mentality. It will give you that irresistible search to search for innovative ideas and strategies to grow your business to global level. Don't just think on that man. Don't stop any local champion mentality. Have a global growth mentality for your business. This will help you stimulate your wave with performance of global companies in the global world, done by Justin Tata, an Indian industrialist who founded the Tata Group of companies, the Indian biggest conglomerate. Over the period that time, started working with a father. He got the idea that no, I have to move on to a startup, and at the point they have started, you have more than 100 companies, and the largest companies, the largest Indian industrialist. So he's known in India as the father of industrialism, and the father of industrialism. So he understood what it means that you know operate with a local champion mentality, you operate with global growth mentality to enhance the irresistible search to search for ideas and strategy that will help him grow the companies, his company, to stimulate their wave, the global level of growth over the period. And that was the idea of Justimentato over the period. Number 12, enhance your risk minimizing strategy ability. Enhance your risk minimizing strategies and ability to minimize risks in your operation to ensure your business its longevity, sustainability, and scalability. Somebody, how do I sharpen my risk minimizing strategy to minimize risks in my operation? You can do that by examining top-notch personalities in your industry that dominated in the industry. Look at the strategies they implemented that help them to minimize risks in their business operations. Expose your mind to these strategies of risk minimizing to help you minimize your risk to make it very competitive. Extract and operationalize them in your business field. So, number 12, to help you grow your business from a small scale to global company, multinational, enhance your risk minimizing strategies by extrapolating strategies and ideas that will help you minimize your risks in your operations to achieve longevity, sustainability, and scalability. How do you achieve that? Examine top-notch personalities, your field of discipline. How did these people over the period How are they able to minimize risks in your operations and extrapolate these ideas and operationalize them to help you achieve that consistently with that mindset. Adam Bemanko, who did Kenneth Rupert Mudich, an Australian-born American businessman. That time he took over a Adelaide company, Adelaide newspaper that was started by his father. Was a small scale. Over a period, he understood what it means to enhance risk minimize strategy, expanding from Australia to Europe to America, and now he has over 800 media companies. It didn't happen by accident, but he understood that indeed you have to extrapolate the risk minimizing strategies to help him achieve that consistently. And that was his mindset. Number 13 point, equip yourself with time management skill. Understand that time management is a skill. Time is a capital God have given to you to invest in yourself. If indeed you want to grow your business from a small scale and a large scale, one of the areas you cannot be oblivious about is to help you, one, equip yourself with time management skill. It will help you to deliver goods, quality goods at timely. If somebody want a good, when I go, timely have delivered, and you get your results. You find out, example, how do I get the time management skill? Time management is a skill. How do I get that? Find out some of the things that waste your time during the day. Is it worry? Is it about complaining? Is it about social media, friends, excessive sleeping, hasty decisions, not thought through decisions? Look at those and jettison these areas. Two, how do I get time management skill? Never start the day without finishing it on paper. Before you start any day, make sure that you have finished the day on paper early in the morning without all the needed strategies. So before you start any day, make sure it are finished on paper. All the strategies and the time management allocation should be allocated on paper, so where you personalize it so that you can be very efficient with time. Another point to help you get your time management skill, understand that every night take a time audit or time evaluation to examine how you use your time during the day. What are some of the things that make you waste time and how do you jettison it? This will help you consistently to do a time audit every day. Find out what are some of the things that make you waste time. What are some of the things that make you waste time during the day? To do time audit, extrapolate these things and get rid of the other by man called Richard Brinkson, who started the Virgin Atlantic Company. Number 14, form a strategic partnership with resourceful personalities. Find out people, you sometimes cannot do it alone. You need people who are very resourceful. They are very resourceful in terms of understanding the workings of the field of business. They're resourceful in terms of having potential radical knowledge. They're resourceful in terms of connecting you to permeating opportunities. This person should be resourceful in a sense of transition with business activity. They should be personalities that exhibit the quality of introducing innovative ideas, product, service, and strategies that repertoire of experience. So sometimes you cannot do it alone. You need people in your corner. People are very resourceful in terms of understanding the workings of the economy, the business. People are resourceful in terms of and having radical knowledge, resourceful in terms of connecting to permitting opportunity, resourceful in terms of transition with the time of business activity, resourceful in terms of the quality, introducing innovative product, service, and strategy, resourceful in terms of repertoire of experience. As a man called Bernard Arnault, who is now, his wealth is about $200 billion. That's about 6% of French GDP. He started with a French, now he owned the LVMH, Louis Vuitton company. He started with a French. There were 3 French that they started, and over the period, that's how far he came. And his company is the biggest fashion company in the world, and his wealth is over $200 billion. That's 6. The Frenchman wealth is 6% of the French GDP. You don't mean it. He didn't do it by himself. He got people who are very resourceful in his corner. In the operation, sometimes we need people to do it. I'll remind you on Bismarck, go to my YouTube channel. I have a lot of motivation messages. They are 15 minutes. Example, building yourself at 7 million. There are 60 of them. Watch them, subscribe to them. Also, have another playlist. Your marriage will be a state of mind to all. There are a lot of teachings on dating and courtship and marriage. So watch them, subscribe. They're 15 minutes. Also, have another playlist called Bismarck Say River from the Temple Sermon. There are sermons there, like my secret is just said. There are 40 of them. Watch them, subscribe to them. Also, have another channel. There are academic videos. One are Bismarck Say economic videos. There are lectures on economics and national income accounting. Also have another channel where you have entrepreneurship, where there are lectures on entrepreneurship, like creating a new trend of business, how to grow my business from a small scale to a large scale. There are series. Watch them, subscribe to them, and like them. Send your comment. Also, sorry for the breaks in images, not from me, it's from Facebook. I'm using external camera on Facebook. That's costing that. Also have a lot of ebooks I'm raising on Amazon and Camroad. Their ebooks, Building Your Competitiveness, the Credit Planner, $4. To be impossible to have this world without you, $4. There's something inside the world is need of $4. Also, we have your marriage-based state of mind to $5. Also, your leaders of generational thinkers, they're $5. Also, have an ebook uploaded in the month of June 2024. Building yourself as a millionaire, $4. Enhance your risk-taking ability, $4. Enhance your decision-making ability, $4. Growing with a cloud of luminaries and conditions, $4. Smarter level competition put together, $4. So get all these books for yourself. I'm not getting the sales. I'm not advertising on Facebook and Twitter. I'm not getting even a single. So I know you help me get it. So if you want to help me market it, where I'll pay you for that. If you're calling outside Ghana, take this number. The country code is +233. Then you add my number 27 510 5641. If you're within